Why are you saying me Sharmuta?
I'm calling from 1038 West London, the Islamic Mosque. I have a lady here, she doesn't want to leave the premises. I have to close the gate. 1038 West London Street. In Riverside, the Islamic Mosque. You want to leave or not?
You allow them police to come here. I tell him what they did to me. I will tell him they told me stay here. They told me they'll help me with this. You're tricking people.
I need the police to move this lady from here. Thank you. Thank you. All right, thank you.
Gangster.
My last name is Zahran.
You're a gangster. You're not a Muslim.
Leave, please.
Why do I
It's better
live?
for you to leave. It's better for you to leave.
Let me talk to him. If it's the police, let me talk to the
You are
police.
crazy.
Let me talk to the police if they are the police. Let me talk to the police. You're so tricky. And you call me Sharmuta too.
Yes, ma'am. I'm calling from the Islamic Mosque at 1038 West London. It's after hours, and there is a lady here. She doesn't want to leave the premises. I want the police to come and move her outside so I can close the gates.
Family to close. Where is near your house? This is a masjid. This is a masjid. I need to get police
She's in a car in the parking lot, and she doesn't want to leave. And I have to close the gates. And she's giving me a hard time.
You need to call the owner. No, call the owner. Call the one who in judge. Are you not supposed to call people police? This is not your house. This is interest. Sarkan. Your name is Sarkan.
951-743-7064. I am security here, ma'am. I wanna close the
You security guard.
and she's not leaving.
Are you a security guard? You.
She's in
Hey.
Mitsubishi.
Hey.
She's in the Mitsubishi and she's kind of she
Hey.
wants to attack me. She wants to
No. You liar.
Her car is pink.
What are you doing?
Leave.
Then let me talk to the police.
Before the police come.
What the police gonna do?
She's putting herself against I can't read the license plate number and she wanna attack me.
Hey, no, you're lying. Hey, don't touch my car.
Look at him. She wanna attack me. I don't know what's wrong with her.
What
She
is?
needs a mental hospital.
No, you are.
You come over here and see what's going on.
What are you doing? Hey, are you kidding?
She's probably from the Middle East or something. And
Hey, let me talk to the police. Hey, stop.
her license number is H.
Hey,
Texas.
hey, stop bothering me.
You wanna leave and no problem is gonna happen. Just drive your car and leave.
Well,
Just get out of
let
the
me
gate.
talk to the director.
Yes. You will be here? Okay, send an officer. I'll be waiting, man. Thank you very much. You don't want problems? Leave out
Well,
of the
what
gate and no problems. You want to wait for the
Oh,
police? to give
are you a security guard?
I am a security guy.
Where is your badge?
Doesn't matter. Don't ask me too many questions. Just leave. You understand? Leave so you will not get in trouble.
I don't even
You're gonna
know.
wait for the police. They're going to give you a hard time.
Do you have a badge?
You crazy? You asking me a question?
Me and you the same. You have no badge.
Just get the hell out of here. Yalla, come on.
Why? What are you talking about?
Get out of here and save
Hey, you want to harass me?
Drive your car and leave.
You
You will not be humiliated.
but you're not security guard.
You will be humiliated.
For what?
Just leave before